Hello my friend, Evan Scoresby here with howtowithevan.com, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to create your own images for your blog posts. Now normally when I do a blog post I just use Google, right? I'll just pull up Google here and I'll go to images and I will search for keywords that are relevant to the topic of my blog post and just find some pictures that are on Google to use for my posts, right? So I'm creating this blog post right now though that it's very difficult, or I haven't been able to find some really good pictures that I want to use. So when that happens I turn to create my own. And so I wanted to show you how I do that and how you can do it too if you ever run into that snag. Now there's a couple reasons that you could do this. One, if you create your own photo, it's unique. It's yours, you own it. You don't have to worry about copyright issues or anything like that. And two, you can, once you kind of use this strategy, you can use it to create like infographics and cool designs to just kind of promote your stuff. So a little cool skill to have and learn. And so how I do this, it requires three different things. One, I still will use Google Images a little bit, but I'll show you that here in just a minute. But also I use just like a Microsoft Word document. Okay, so I'll have Microsoft Word up here. And then I also use this snipping tool that's available on all PCs. Okay, so you can get a snipping tool or a screen capture software like Jing, something like that, to be able to create a picture. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is my blog post is going to be about the 15 Laws of Success by Napoleon Hill, and it's going to be a really extensive blog post, and so it's going to take me a while to do, but I'm just in the process of creating some pictures with it. Okay, so the first thing I want to do is I'm going to have just a main picture that's going to be featured on my blog, and it's just going to reflect the title of the blog, which is how to utilize the 15 laws of success. Okay, and so I want to create a picture to do this. So in Microsoft Word, I'll just come here and I'll just start fiddling around with different fonts and sizes and just kind of create some information here. Okay, so first off I'm going to definitely have 15 laws of success, right? And that's going to be my main focus, and so I'm just going to change the font size. I'll come up here, I'm going to change it to, let's go a little bigger, 48. Yeah, that looks good. So I'll do like change the font size, and then I'll look to see if there's a different kind of font that I like. And let's try that one here. Ooh, I really like that. So here's, you change the font a little bit, right, to make it stand out, look nice, right? And I'm going to maybe do some other things like up here, how to utilize the, down here, maybe I'll do by Napoleon Hill. But I don't want it that same font, so let's, I'm going to go to Lucidia Handwriting. I'm going to change that font size down a little bit. That looks pretty good. Maybe go a little more. So I'll just kind of tweak and toy with things a little bit, just to create, some text. Have this one the same here, and then also put in. Okay, looks pretty good. So this could essentially be a picture, right? You can take a screenshot of this and create a picture out of it. But I think I need a little bit more spiced up, and so I'm going to add a background, some background color to it. So that's where I turn to Google, and I'll still go to images here, and then I'll just choose a color of background. So maybe I'll do like tan, and I think I want to do tan because here's the book, Laws of Success by Napoleon Hill, and it has like this tan border around the book. So just that's where I got that idea from. So tan background. Well, let's do a search for that. Then I'll just look at see if any of these would work well. I like that one. Okay, so I'll take one of these backgrounds, right, and I'll just right click on it and copy the image. Then I'll come back here to Word and I will just paste this image in here. Okay, but then I want to change some of the features and format the picture on the layout. I'm going to have it be behind the text. Okay, so if I do the behind the text, it's going to come up. Oops, didn't quite take there. Behind the text. So now the font is brought out. So now it looks like this nice little background. So then I will drag it up a little bit, make it centered. Okay, that looks pretty good, right? So now I just need to take a picture of that. And I do that with a snipping tool. You know, if you have a Windows PC, you have the snipping tool that's automatically on your computer that you can use to capture pictures. Or you can use a program called Jing. It's techsmith.com/Jing that you can download to your computer that does the same thing. But I'll just access this snipping tool here. Probably won't be able to see it. It's off-centered a little bit here. But I'll just grab a picture like this. So I just crop it, drag and drop of how I want my picture to look. Then I'll release it. And there's the picture, and then it just allows me to save it. So I'll save it, and I'll just put it on here to one of my pictures. 15, oops, let's go here. I'll just name the picture 15 Laws of Success, or Laws, or whatever. Save it to my computer. Alright, so if I want to take a look at the picture and just make sure that it's saved on my computer, I can just pull up my Windows Explorer, go to my pictures, go to blogs, and it's right there. Double click on it, and it'll come up, and boom, there's my picture. So I can use that picture now in my blog post just like any other picture I could get off the internet. So pretty cool. Hope you found that information valuable, my friend. If you did, please leave a comment below. If you have any questions, I'd love to talk to you about them. But hope you enjoyed this, and we'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.